Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video we are going to be doing the August Boxycharm unboxing. I am super excited because my box came in while I was on vacation, and so I'm just now getting to dive into it, and I'm really excited. You guys know how much I love Boxycharm, so really without much further ado, so you guys will have to listen to me babble for so long, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so taking out the card for this month's box, we do of course have a couple of coupons on the back. We got 20% off of smashbox.com as well as 25% off your next order at Laura Lee Los Angeles, which is very exciting and very nice of her to do something like that because I know she hasn't had many sales yet since her brand is so new. As always, I will write all the information and everything down in the description box below so that you guys can go check that out if that's something you are interested in. Opening up the little booklet, this month's theme is Life of the Party. I really like this one. Oh, look, and there's Laura Lee in there herself. Girl, go on. Okay, all right, anyways, moving on from that, and as you guys know, that's got all the products and prices and everything. This might be, I know it's totally random, but this might be my favorite booklet that we've received. Black, as you can tell, just really does something to my soul, so this is really pleasing to the eye for me. Anyways, it's not really what you're here for. We're just gonna move along from that. So the first thing that I'm gonna talk about in this month's box are these, well, hello Pookie. My bub's in here. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to talk about from this month's box are these Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. You get 3 in this box, and this is what the packaging looks like. These are, of course, full size, and I don't know if they're $13 a piece or $13 for the set, but either way, it's 13 bucks. It says this mask brightens, hydrates, and reduces the appearance of dark circles. The hyaluronic acid diminishes the appearance of wrinkles, while aloe leaf extracts and lavender oil cool and soothe your under eye area. That sounds absolutely phenomenal to me, so we're going to go ahead and test one of these out. I'm really excited. I love when we get skincare. Oh my god, why is it so hard to open? You guys know I love when we get skincare in the box. I think it's so amazing to try something out before you actually have to go spend your money on it. Why are these gotta be so messy though? I don't know what to do with this. They are very cooling. I do like that they are gold for some reason. It makes them feel like they're very expensive when they're not. They are sitting well on the skin. It feels like it would sit up well, unlike, I don't remember what brand it was or what they were, but you guys remember earlier in the year we got eye masks in the box and they were pink jelly ones. Oh, they sucked and they just fell down your skin, but these ones feel really good. It does feel cooling. So I'm gonna go and kind of do my thing for about 10 or 15 minutes, probably fix this disgusting hair, and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back. It has been a little bit more than 15 minutes because straightening this hair took a little bit more time than I anticipated, but either way, we're gonna peel these bad boys off and then just kind of tap in the excess. I will say, you know, with skincare, with eye masks and things like that, I'm not going to be able to tell a ginormous difference right off the bat, obviously, but I will say that while the mask was on, it did kind of feel like it was kind of tightening under my eye, which was really neat. I've never had an eye mask feel like it was doing that, so that was a little bit different, and they do feel hydrated underneath, so I will continue to use these. I do quite like them. I think they are nice, and the fact that I was able to sit up and wear them and get stuff done instead of just having to lay back was a plus. So off to a good start. Alright, so the next thing in the box is this Desi Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. It says this lightweight non-greasy oil is formulated with vitamin E, shea, sweet almond, and jojoba oils that are blended to create a luxurious treatment that softens the cuticles and moisturizes and hydrates the nails. This is the bottle. It looks really nice. Now, I am actually not going to use this product at all. I am not someone that does my nails. I don't go get my nails done. I hate how expensive that is. I do wear nail polish from time to time, but I don't like doing it over and over again because it starts to irritate me and I hate how long it takes them to dry and everything. So even if I put this on my nails, I'm not gonna you know a difference. I'm not gonna understand. Like, it's just, nail things aren't my thing. So I'm just gonna give this away to somebody who actually does their nails, you know, from some of my friends and things like that, because it's just not for me, and I don't feel like utilizing it, because I'm not gonna be able to give you an accurate opinion or any sort of thoughts or things like that, because I'm just not going to know any sort of difference. So that is in the box, but it's just not personally for me. Okay guys, I am back, and let's jump into it. I do want to apologize. In the camera, it looks like my face is a little bit lighter than my body. It does not look that way in person, but I did just come back from vacation, so I am like bronzier than normal, but oh well, your girl does not have time to worry about that, so we're just gonna power through. Okay, so moving on, the next thing in the box that we are going to use, and I am so excited about this. This is the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal Eyeshadow Palette. This is of course full size. It retails for $19. It is this 6 eyeshadow, supremely vibrant, beautiful shades. It looks absolutely amazing. I do enjoy the packaging. It feels very heavy and luxurious, which is funny because I really didn't expect that at all. They look absolutely beautiful. Let's do a couple swatches. Oh my God. So here are the swatches. I will say that they do not swatch very well. That does not mean much to me, however. I always just care about how it performs on the eye. I'm not walking around with it on my arms. So we're gonna jump in, and I'm gonna create a look. Oh my God, I hope this doesn't turn out bad and suck. That's what I'm gonna use. Okay, so this is the look I ended up creating. I did force myself to use every shade in the palette. These were pretty good. I will say that there was a lot of kick up in the pan and quite a bit of fallout on my face. I kind of expected it, however, due to the fact that these are supremely colorful shadows. They are much more pigmented on camera than they are in person, which is why it took me so long to kind of build it up and do it, because I also didn't want to be like, let me just pop it all on and then be screwed. They are nice colors. I will say that the bottoms up, hungover, and karaoke are like, these two are more like satins. This does have shimmer in it, which is why you saw me pop it on with my finger at the end, because of course when you blended the pink, it kind of blended all the like shimmers away, and I kind of like that. This blue was really pretty. The orange was nice. This green's decent. It's not my most favorite thing, and maybe it would be if I didn't mix it with the blues, but I don't know. It wasn't a bad palette. I definitely think it's nice to have in conjunction with neutral palettes, but I mean, personally, like, I'm not mad that I didn't go out and buy this. Like, it's not my most favorite thing I've ever used, but because it is quite affordable for what you are getting and it does feel of high quality, I don't think it's a bad eyeshadow palette. Like, I won't complain. I'm just more excited about it since I got it in the Boxycharm instead of having to go buy this by itself. Alrighty, moving right on along, the next thing in this box is this Bang Beauty chocolate eyeliner. It says that this can be used as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even a touch-up by brows. Okay, this is a full-size product and it retails for $22. I definitely thought this was going to be a black product, and so I feel kind of played. Like, don't know what I'm supposed to do because I've already done my brows and my eyes. I really don't think brown is going to go with what I got going on. I can try and put on, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and put on like a thin line since I'm going to put lashes on anyways, because I did get a pair of lashes in the box. So we're trying to do that real quick. So I'm just going to take my Sigma E05 eyeliner brush and just kind of dip it in here and then try and put this on. Okay, I'm not sure how well you can tell, but this is me doing the eyeliner, and first of all, it's not like laying really well. It's coming off extremely taupey, like not brown like it says it is, but more taupe in color. And it took me a lot just to get that line on there, and that is not even a decent line. Like, you definitely could not do like winged eyeliner with this. It's way more of a pomade. Like, it's like you could probably use it on your brows. I don't even know that I would necessarily use it as an eyeshadow base. I just feel like it would be just like like it just wouldn't do what I need it to. Like, it wouldn't stay well, and colors really wouldn't go on top of this well. Yeah, I really feel played that this was not like a black, like, kind of gel liner, but it's okay. It just kind of like balls up and like separates and like low-key goes everywhere. And I am not here for it at all. Try and cover some of that up. Okay, so the next thing in this box are these lashes. I got ahead of myself, so I took them out of the little packaging already. But these are the House of Lashes lashes in the style Temptress. These are, of course, full size, and they are a range from $9 to $12. I don't know what they're referring to for that. These look absolutely beautiful, super wispy. I'm really excited to wear them. I don't know if the whole brand is, but this lash in particular, I'm pretty sure it's the whole brand, but it's cruelty free in case any of you are wondering, which I think is amazing. I like these. They kind of remind me of Demi Wispies, except they're about the same shape all the way around, like the same length all the way around, not shape. So I'm going to go ahead and just like do my mascara and trim and put these on, and then we'll be back to talk about the last thing in the box. Okay guys, so there are the lashes on. They are really, really pretty. They are very, very lightweight. They were very easy to apply. They are very long. I didn't cut them because they actually fit my eye shape perfectly, but I think next time I go to wear them, I will cut off more, so that way, like, it will be a gradual increase from like my lashes to these lashes, because they are just really, really big and not necessarily like my personal style. So I'm just going to kind of customize them to make them fit my style more. And this is a very comfortable pair, so I am excited that we did receive these in the box because I love false eyelashes. Okay, so the last thing for me in the box was a Smashbox Be Legendary Triple Tone Lipstick. This is a full-size product and it retails for either $21 to $24. I know that some people got like the metallic lipsticks in the box. I'm pretty happy I did not get a metallic lipstick, but at the same time, I'm really nervous for this because it is one of those ones where it's got the, can you see this? It's got the 3 tones on it, which to me, I don't understand the purpose of. Swatch it for you really quickly. Oh Christ. You guys remember like the markers when we were little, or like the crayons or whatever, and you could stick them all in there, and they did that, they like rainbowed themselves? Oh my. Yep, I'm not really excited about this, and it kind of goes with the look, but kind of not really, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try and put this on. It's gonna be weird because like you're gonna have to and then flip it. I'm just not understanding the purpose, but I'm gonna do it. Let's go. Yeah, no, this is not for me. This is absolutely not for me. I don't know if maybe you like blend it together to help create, like, I get what they're saying, like they want you to create kind of like an ombre effect, but I'm like, if I want to do that, I'm just gonna get a lip liner and a lipstick and do it that way, because the way you have to turn this to make this work for you to like get the shades to do their thing is just really too difficult and too annoying. I don't think the shade is terrible. It's definitely not what I would pair with this eye look. I just look like a lot is going on. I just don't like this. Like, I think it turns out better now that I've rubbed my lips together, but I just think it's like too much work. I just, nope, no, I don't like it. So it's not bad. Like, I'll probably keep it to like do specific things with, or like use a lip brush and take out the specific colors that I may want, but I would never ever purchase one of these for myself. Okay, you guys, so that is everything for this month's box. I did the math as always, and it retailed for $108, which you guys know is totally crazy considering that the box is only $21 a month. Overall, I get what they were doing with this box, where it was like kind of wild and fun and like party mode. I don't think the box was terrible, even though I did have quite a few misses. I enjoyed the fact that I got to try out a bunch of things. One, that I've never tried, but two, that I would have never bought for myself. Like, I would have never picked up these lashes for myself. I definitely would have never picked up this lipstick for myself. And we can see why. And I wouldn't have bought this palette on my own. I wasn't going to, but I am happy that I did receive it. So overall, I do think this month's box was pretty decent, and it was pretty fun, which, you know, was very exciting. But yeah, you guys, if you have Boxycharm, you guys know the drill. I want to hear what you got in your box. Did you love it? Did you hate it? If you got this lipstick, what did you think about it? But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye!